If it looks real and it isn't, label it. Because the next AI clip you upload could quietly trigger a YouTube strike. And you might not even know why. But wait, there's a simple way to protect yourself. And it could save your channel. This isn't about fear. It's about power. The power to keep creating safely in an AI-driven world. A missed disclosure can cost you your monetization, your credibility, even your entire channel. Most creators don't break rules intentionally. They just don't know where the invisible lines are. So today we're exposing them. The real rules of AI labeling on YouTube, straight from the new synthetic content guidelines shaping the future of online creation. Even if you're a small creator using free AI tools, these rules protect you, not punish you. Let's start with the one line that decides everything. Rule in one line. If a viewer could mistake something fake for something real, you must disclose it clearly. Sounds simple, right? But here's where things get tricky, because the gray zones are massive. What needs disclosure? AI-generated scenes that look realistic, cloned voices that sound human, face likenesses or digital doubles, and deep composites that blend truth and fiction. If you've altered reality in a way that could fool the eye, even slightly, YouTube expects you to say so. That includes realistic news reenactments, fake locations, or AI personalities portrayed as real people. But not everything with AI needs a label. You can still use powerful creative tools safely, if you understand this next part. What doesn't need disclosure? Stylized animation that looks artistic, not real. Obvious VFX that no one would mistake for live footage. And production helpers like noise reduction, auto color, or background cleanup. In short, if your viewer instantly knows its creative expression, you're clear. But the moment it mimics real life seamlessly, you step into disclosure territory. Now the big question, where do you label it? There are 3 must-hit locations, and skipping even one can cost you reach or monetization. First, on screen, in the first 5 seconds. Every realistic AI or synthetic scene needs visible text like AI-generated scene or synthetic media. Keep it clear, consistent, and readable. It doesn't need to break immersion. It needs to protect integrity. Second, during upload. Under YouTube's new settings, you'll see a toggle, altered or synthetic content. If your video includes any realistic AI element, flip that to yes. YouTube's detection models already identify visual manipulation. Being upfront here builds algorithmic trust. It tells the system you're an honest creator. Third, in your video description, add a section titled Disclosure and state how AI was used. Example, Disclosure, voice cloned using 11 labs. Visuals generated with Runway. This triple label system, on screen, toggle, and description, is your creative armor. Because when you skip one, the algorithm notices. Let's make this real with 5 quick examples. Example 1. AI city skyline behind your real face. Label it AI-generated background. Example 2. AI-generated ambience or background score under your narration. Add a note in the description. AI ambience created using Suno. Example 3. Your digital avatar appears as you, built with your consent. On screen, AI avatar, used with creator's consent. Example 4. You deepfake a public figure or celebrity, even for satire. Don't do it. YouTube marks it as deceptive synthetic content unless clearly parody, and even then, risk remains. Example 5. a cartoonish robot or clearly fictional AI character. No label needed, because no reasonable viewer would think it's real. These 5 cover 95% of cases creators face daily. But now comes the danger zone, the strike traps that silently end careers. Trap 1. Deceptive news scenes. Fake news anchors or breaking news templates made with AI. If it looks real, label it immediately. Trap 2. Implied endorsements. Cloning a celebrity's voice to say your product name. That's voice manipulation without consent. Instant community guideline strike. Trap 3. Missing on-screen label. You might toggle synthetic at upload but forget to show it visually. That alone counts as missing disclosure. Trap 4. Ignoring the toggle. If YouTube detects AI in your visuals and you said no, it flags your video as misleading. That's how reach and monetization die quietly. Trap 5. Reused stock video with AI voiceover and no originality. That's reused content, not transformative creation. You need commentary, narrative, or context. Each of these traps has taken down real channels. YouTube rarely announces them. It just stops recommending you. So, how do you prove your integrity before the algorithm questions it? Build a sources block. At the end of your description, add sources, followed by every AI tool, dataset, or stock you used. This single act builds more trust than hours of editing. Transparency is the new credibility. The more you disclose, the more the algorithm and your viewers believe you. Now, pause for a moment. Here's a fact few know. Labeling AI doesn't limit you. It strengthens you. Because synthetic doesn't mean fake. It means generated. It's creative, but it must be contextualized. That's what the synthetic toggle is for. It adds context, not punishment. When used right, it can even boost your retention and brand trust. But let's break the tension with a mid-video secret you need to hear. A YouTube insider recently confirmed, labeling AI doesn't hurt your ranking. In fact, properly disclosed videos tend to get better engagement. Viewers trust honesty. They stay longer, share more, and comment more. That's algorithmic gold. So labeling isn't compliance. It's smart marketing. It's telling the world, I use AI responsibly, transparently, and creatively. And remember, advertisers now demand AI transparency before approving sponsorships. So labeling isn't just legal, it's profitable. Let's visualize this. 2 creators upload identical videos. One labels honestly, the other hides it. The hidden one gets flagged. Limited ads, reduced reach. The honest one keeps monetization and wins brand trust. Now, which one builds a future-proof career? Exactly, the transparent one. Labeling AI is storytelling. It transforms suspicion into fascination. It shows mastery, not manipulation. Want to make your labels look cinematic? Use soft lower thirds, like AI visuals generated using Pictory, styled in your brand colors. It's not a warning, it's a signature, your badge of honesty. And for your description, structure it like this. Disclosure, AI visuals generated with Runway, AI voice with 11 Labs, edited in Pictory. Always, every upload. Even for shorts, because shorts are now scanned by the same synthetic detectors. Ignore it, and the first thing you'll lose isn't views, it's trust. Then comes reach, then revenue. So stay one step ahead. Because the creators who label today become the leaders tomorrow. Labeling doesn't limit creativity. It proves authenticity. It's your verified human badge in an age of infinite automation. So the real question isn't, should I label my AI? It's, why wouldn't I? Your label says, I create responsibly. I innovate ethically. And I belong in the future of AI storytelling. If it looks real and isn't, say so immediately. That's not fear. That's integrity. Because honesty is the new algorithm. If this helped you, hit subscribe. Comment, I'll label it right. And check the links below for your free AI disclosure template pack and create a safe checklist.